Finding the hypotenuse. This question is asking us to calculate the length of the hypotenuse correct to 1 decimal place. So the first thing I need to look at is I need to try and work out which one of my trigonometry rules I'm going to need. So if I have a look, I've got 32 and I look at my angle and I have a side that is opposite my angle. So I'm going to put an O there. My only other side is X, and that is opposite my right angle, so I have a hypotenuse. So my trigonometry rule, which has an opposite and a hypotenuse, is sine. So I'm going to say now that sine 32 degrees equals opposite, which is 7, over my hypotenuse, which is x. Now x is in the denominator, and I need to be able to solve this. So when x is in the denominator, I need to take the reciprocal of both sides. So when I talk about reciprocal, I talk about turning them upside down. So sine 32 is really over 1. So when I turn that upside down, I get 1 over sine 32 degrees. And taking the reciprocal of the other side, which is to turn it upside down, I get x over 7. Now we like x to be on our left-hand side, so I'm just going to swap sides. Keeping everything the same, I'm just swapping sides. And now I can see that I've got x over 7, so I'm going to multiply this side by 7 and the other side by 7, so my 7's cancel. So I get x equals 7 over sine 32 degrees. And now we need to put this into our calculators. So on my calculator, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 7 divided by sine 32. I'm going to close my brackets and I'm going to press equals, and I get 13.20955, etc. So if I think about it, 13 seems to be a reasonable length for my hypotenuse, considering one of my other sides is 7. So having seen what's on my calculator, I'm going to write that down, 13.2095, etc. And I go back to read the question. The question says to round to 1 decimal place. So I now need to round to that 1 decimal place, which is going to give me 13.2. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.